What's going on, fellow travelers? In today's review video, I got an awesome travel toiletry bag from USA. Now, most of you know that I travel a lot. Just within this year, I have been to like 10-11 different countries. And for me, because I travel so often, I would like to unpack and repack my items as fast and as efficiently as possible whenever I arrive to a hotel or a Airbnb or even a hostel at times. So I usually carry around this household bag for shampoos and soap and whatnot, dirty stuff. To be honest, it's too small for me to pack my toiletries. So then it was time for a new toiletry bag, and I came across this USA bag, and there are many features I love about this toiletry bag, which I want to go over real quick with you guys. Before I explain about the features of the bag, let me show you the box this bag came in. If you are looking to purchase a gift for your brother, sister, husband, wife, this would be a perfect product for you. So here's the bag itself, manufactured by USA. Overall, it looks sexy, nice and simple and black. I have not had any issue of this bag getting dirty. I've already traveled to 4 different countries, and as you can see, there's no damage, no issues whatsoever. One of my favorite features of this bag, and I still smile every time I open it because it's so fun and smooth, is you just put your finger on the leash connecting the 2 different zippers, pull it back just like that, undo the magnet latching system, and you're exposed, and you get to see the full content on what's inside the bag. So what I didn't like about the bags I had in the past, so let me just show you what happens. Okay, you got contents in it, right? You close it, you open it, and you have no idea what's in it. So for that reason alone, I love this bag. In addition, there's a zipper section. So I got my spare contact lenses and my pills inside of the zipper. You get the side compartment that drops down with mesh pockets. I got my mouthwash, contact lens solutions, razor, and toothbrush. And this toothbrush, you simply slide into this, I don't know what, a toothbrush holder feature here, so you do not get your toothbrush dirty and it's not flopping all over the place, right? So that's an awesome feature that this bag has. It's actually machine washable, so if you ever get this dirty, you can just pop it in your washer, dryer, dry it up, and you're good to go again. It is also PU leather, so it's not a real leather, which is awesome because I love my pets, I love animals, and I don't really care about having a high maintenance, super expensive, non-water resistant leather that I have to care for and condition. This is just as good looking as the real leather. This bag can be compacted into like 2 inches in height. So maybe say you are going on a weekend trip and you're only taking your shampoo, soap, and toothbrush, toothpaste, then you can pop that in there, compress the entire bag, so you're saving up space. So that's it for today's review. As all of you have heard multiple times, I absolutely love this bag by USA. It is sexy, it is durable, it has withstood multiple trips to multiple countries already, and I have finally found a one-in-all solution for all my toiletry items. I even have my electric shaver in here, which is insane. My glasses, my electric toothbrush, everything fits in here. So if you're looking for all-in-one solution for your toiletry items, this is the one to get, or want to get for your significant other as a gift, as a present, as it comes in a nice quality looking bag. So thanks again, check it out guys, USA's toiletry bag.